and welcome to Copper, an entry into the Azure AI Developer Hackathon on DevPost. Building hardware is hard, famously hard. Unlike software where fixes are instant, hardware design is slow and expensive. Every PCB prototype you send to fabrication can cost thousands of dollars and can take weeks to return. And if you find a design flaw, that's thousands of dollars more and several weeks more waiting for the next revision. That's where Copper comes in. Copper is a web-based tool that helps catch design issues early before you send your boards to the fab house. Let's take a look at how Copper works in practice. To get started, just upload a PCB design file. Copper parses the file, extracting components, nets, layers, and other information into a structured internal model. From there, you can request analysis of your PCB design. Copper can assist with tasks like explaining how a circuit works, suggesting improvements, or helping troubleshoot specific issues, all using natural language. The result is a clean, actionable report designed to help you improve your layout, reduce errors, and move confidently towards your next prototype. Let's take a look under the hood to learn how Copper uses Azure to bring all of this together. The process starts with authentication. Copper uses Azure Entra ID for authentication, and the resulting authentication token is used to authenticate all of the API endpoints. The first of these occurs after the user uploads a PCB design file. After parsing, the Copper app uses an Azure Function app, in this case the create item endpoint, to save information about the PCB design to an Azure Cosmos DB collection. After the user provides a description, the Copper app again uses an Azure Function endpoint to update information in the Cosmos database. When a user asks the system for help, the system assembles a prompt using a combination of the user's question and information about the PCB design it parsed earlier, and sends that prompt off again to an Azure function and to an Azure Functions endpoint, in which forwards the request on to an Azure OpenAI resource. When the prompt comes back, the user is presented with a report generated by Azure OpenAI, which presents improvements or troubleshooting steps or other information based on the user's request. Throughout all of this, Azure Application Insights is used to track performance, identify errors, and identify opportunities for improving the app's reliability and performance. With this tightly integrated Azure infrastructure, Copper delivers a secure, scalable, and intelligent platform for helping users catch problems early and design PCBs smarter.